So today, I will be showing you how to add integers, how to subtract integers, how to multiply integers, and how to divide integers. So 12 plus 1 is equals to 13 because positive plus positive is positive in the rule of integers. Next, negative 12 plus negative 2 is equals, what will be the answer? It will be negative 14. Why negative 14? It's because negative plus negative is negative. Next, how about if different signs? So, negative 12 plus 3, positive 3. It is positive 3. So, negative 12 plus positive 3, we will gonna do minus. So, let's minus. Okay. Negative 12 minus 3, what will be the answer? The answer is 9. So, unsa ang atong sign? So, in the rule of integers, kung asa ang dako nga number, mao to ang iyahang sign. So, negative 9. Next, negative 12 plus negative 4. So, parihara gihapon diri, imo lang siyang i-plus and i-copy ra ang sign. So, negative 12 plus negative 4 is equals to negative 16. So, here, we're gonna do in subtraction of integers. Okay. 12 minus 1 is 11. 12 minus negative 2, lipat na to siya dire. So, 12 nya ato siyang i-value ang sign. So, may mo siyang positive 2 is equals to 12 plus 2 is equals to 14. Next. Mara gyapon. So, if negative 12 minus 3, lipat lagi hapon na to, may mo siyang negative 12 plus ilipat na to ang sign, may mo siyang negative 3 is equals to negative 12 plus negative 3 is negative 15. Next, on negative 12 minus negative 4. So, ilipat lang gihapon na to. So, negative 12 plus positive 4 is equals to, in the rule of integers, if different signs, we will gonna do minus. So, subtract na to ang duha ka number. So, negative 12 plus minus 4 is equals to 8. So, asay dako nga number? Correct. It is 12. So, ang 12 is, ang iyang sign is negative. So, ang atong sign dire is negative. So, next ang atong buhaton is multiplication of integers. So, 12 times 1 is equals to 12 because same sign lang gyapon niya. How about if different ang signs? So, pares aning 12 times negative 2. So, remember, if iba ang iyang sign, even if it is dako ang dire, ang answer niya is negative lang gihapon. And then, how about negative 12 times 3? So, mao na akong giingon ganina, bisag asa ang sign sa negative, basta iba iyang sign, the answer will always be negative. Next, negative 12 times negative 4. So, if same sign siya, so negative times negative is equals to positive. Positive times positive is equals to positive. So, negative 12 times negative 4 is equals to positive 48. Next is the division of integers. So, ang division of integers is parihara gyapon siya sa multiplication. Okay? So, 12 divided by 1 is equals to 12. Same sign, sign niya is positive. Pag same sign gani, positive. Next, 12 divided by negative 2. So, pag not same sign, ang answer nato is negative. So, ang answer is negative 6. Next, negative 12 divided by 3. So, not same sign siya ha. Not same sign. So, ang atong answer is negative 9. Ay, no. Negative, not 9, okay? So, ato siyang i-divide. So, 3 divide by negative 12 is 4. Okay. So, negative 4. Next, negative 12 divided by negative 4 is, okay. So, same sign siya. So, ang atong answer diri is positive 3. So, that's all.